Hi there guys, how's it going? My name's Tom. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be picking up a set of new seats for the S13. I am already in the car and I'm about to head over to the seller's place. I have picked these up off of the Facebook Marketplace. They're a set of seats that I have been after for a while. Currently they're not in the best of condition. They have been sat in a car for a while that looks like it may have been left out in a field somewhere or something like that. But fortunately enough, I've got a good friend of mine that will be able to, is going to help us out, and actually we're going to take these seats and try and transform them. I'm going to show you the before and after, and we're going to take you through the whole process of detailing them all and hopefully cleaning them up. Like I say, this is the set of seats that I've been after for the S13 for some time now, but admittedly I couldn't justify the money going in, having to put the money that they're worth for a completely clean set. So fortunate enough, I managed to find this set local. I'm going to go pick them up now. We're going to take them back to the unit, and then eventually I will sort out a time and a date to take over to my friend's place. We're going to take it over to his unit, and we'll take you through the whole process of detailing them, wet vacuuming, cleaning, and hopefully it's some good content for you guys. Right, let's get straight into this. Alright guys, we are now back at the unit. We are in the storage room because I have just dropped off the seats. Picked them up about half an hour ago, like I say, for a good deal. I didn't record anything there, and like driving there, picking them up or driving back, mainly because I haven't got the confidence at the minute, and I'd rather not ask someone that I've met off of the Facebook Marketplace on if I can record at his place. So I will show you the seats as they sit now. Like I say, they're not in the best of condition, but fingers crossed we can clean them up nicely, ready to go into the S13. So as we can see, here are the seats. So they are a set of Recaro SR2’s confettis out of the Nissan 300ZX. Like I said, they popped up on the Facebook Marketplace with the whole car being broken. Unfortunately enough, these go for, a clean set goes for around £800, I want to say, and I managed to pick these up for a lot less than that, which is nice to know. And like I say, I've fortunately enough got a couple friends that are into detailing, and so therefore I'm able to take it to one of them to help me out and clean them properly. So in a little bit, or shall I say in the next clip that you'll see, I will be transporting them over to his unit, hopefully this weekend. And as you can see, they definitely need some work. They got mould, and unfortunately the bolster on here is a bit broken, and so up here we've got a little burn mark as well as a little mark on here, but fortunately enough there's no major damage on the actual confetti part of the seat. Unfortunately they are just very, very grim. And this is the passenger side. So as you can see, not too bad, a good wet vac and a good detail, which should get out most of the horridness of them, should we say. So what I will do is, after this we'll cut to mate's unit. So in the next clip, what I'm going to do is take you through the process in which we will wash these down, clean them up, and like I said, I'll do a comparison of before and after of the Recaro SR3 confettis. Alright, so we're now over at Vivid Detailing today with my mate Lewis. We are going to be restoring these seats. Hopefully we're going to take you through a transformation on them. Going to go through them, deep clean them, and hopefully get them back to their former glory. I'll quickly show you the seats here, as well as introduce Lewis. He might not like it, but you never know. So, can you just run through quickly what we're going to go do today on them?
Yeah, we'll go through that. We're going to obviously hoover them out, get them to a state where we can visually inspect them. From there we'll probably take it to a wet vac, extract it, maybe use a bit of steam. Don't know, it looks like you've got quite a bit of, I don't know, mould
in it or something, yeah.
Yeah, so we need to steam that, kill all the bacteria. Just get them looking good again. Bring the white back out and then, yeah.
Sounds like a good idea.
See the difference, look. Nice.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they'll be alright. So that's what we're going to do quickly. It'll probably take us most of the day. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the camera on a time lapse on the tripod, and basically a lot of this will be a time lapse. We'll cut in between to show you the progress that we're making. What I will show quickly is Lewis's car. This thing is fucking gorgeous. Lighting's pretty poor, but he's got a BMW 330D, bagged on some Rotiform RCs. No, Rotiform RCs, I'm a fucking idiot. BBS RCs. And yeah, this thing's fucking sweet as a nut. I better have called them Rotiform RCs. And then I was there like, wrong ones. Yeah guys, we'll jump straight into it and crack on with this. Alright, so we have now just finished the basic vac. We are now moving on to the wet vac. As you can see already, they're looking a hell of a lot better. It's got a lot of dirt and grime out to start off with before we move on to the wet vacs. Looks like we've got 2 of them. Don't know what they do admittedly, so we'll soon find out, which will hopefully help to remove all the staining, as you can see on the seats. And like Lewis said a minute ago, hopefully get the white back and the Recaro logo and clean these right up. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut with the torque in and we're gonna hop straight into it. Alright, so we've just finished the first seat. Lewis has gone through and steam cleaned them as well as wet vac them. I will show you a before. So this one here, as you can see, it has been vacuumed, but we've still got a lot of grime down the bottom here and up through the seat. Whereas we've got the one outside that is now drying off. Looks 100 times better. See if I can get a good shot of it. So it's taken out a lot of the grime. In this one there was a lot of mould down this left hand side, but that has now gone. Unfortunately there's a couple burn marks, but that's not the end of the world. I got these seats for a good price, and aside from that they've come out 100 times better. So what we're going to do, instead of time lapse the next one, we'll just crack on with the next one, get that one done, and I'll show you the after, and we can take you through the steps that we've done and what is next for them. Alright guys, so we have now finished the second seat. As you can see, it is outside there now drying off. The first one that we went through and carried out has already dried. Quickly, I'm just going to get Lewis from Vivid Detailing to take us through what's been done, what we're going to be doing next, and the steps of which that have been carried out. So over to you, mate.
Alright, so start off, we just do a quick initial vacuum, bring up any loose dirt. Get all the fibres nice and clean, and prepare it for a wet vac. Then you hit it with our carpet solution cleaning, and brush that in, wet vac it up. Do a few passes of wet vac, pass it through until the water comes out clean, so you know you've got a clean seat. That's about it really. Use steam cleaner in occasional places where it's needed. Yeah, pretty simple process. Happy with the results. I'll put some G-Technic Smart Fabric on there now, which is basically, I don't know, a sealant for your fabric. As if you were to wax paintwork, it acts the same, does the same, protects it. Yeah, that's it.
Sweet. So yeah, that is the process that has happened now, guys. These seats have turned out amazing from a before and after. I will try and get a snip of what they were like before and what they are like after. Especially the passenger seat. The passenger seat looks like it's barely been sat in now. Driver's has got a bit of wear to it, but understandably it's driver's seat. There's not a lot else you can expect really. So this is what they are looking like now. This is the driver's side after it has dried off. As all you can see there is just the sun reflecting off the seats. But all the mould down the left side is now gone. They're looking pretty spot on now really. And then same with the passenger side. It's like I say, outside drying now. It's looking nice and fresh. Even the Recaro logo is back to white, which is always nice. But yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to seal these up, clean them all up, and then ideally that is it for today. Alright guys, so that is the seats now finished. Big thanks to Lewis at Vivid Detailing for sorting these out. They are looking amazing now. So I'll quickly run through before ending the video. This is what they're looking like now. Hell of a lot better. All the mold is now gone. They're a lot cleaner and I can't complain one bit. They're ready to go in the S13 once I have the new seat rails. But aside from that, they're spot on. All I can say is thank you everyone for watching. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. I'll catch you boys in a bit.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.